Alright, guys, I am happy to be here again. Not quite long. I shared a model table I did earlier today, actually. I did a model table and I decided to make this animated fenced structure. So, this is a fence structure that I decided to make with this sliding gate. So what you're seeing right here is the normal look of the structure during the construction phase. So let me show you what it looks like. Yeah. So this is actually what it looks like. A 3D structure of a fence and the floor. You can see the floor and that's the gate, the sliding gate. I intend finishing this up, having building right in there. You could tell me what you want, what you think. If you want anything that I should do, you could just throw in your suggestion and I'll be more than happy to design such a structure as you suggest. All right. So I would also like to show you how I did this because many would like to replicate this or model something like this. I would like to show you how I did this, and to be very certain, it's not difficult at all. All right. So I want to show you what I actually did with this. So let me quickly show you what I did with this. It's a school fence, actually. Let me show you. I'm going to play something now. So that's it. So it's just a school fence and it's closed right now. I hope you love it. If you have any question about what I just did, please feel free to ask. I'll be more than willing to answer you. All right. See you in the next video as I build structures for the compound. Have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I would like to hear criticism on this video or this model, this 3D model. Let me know what you think. Thank you.